And I'm the 2021 ANZCA Annual Scientific Meeting Convener.
And I'm Lachlan Miles, the Scientific Convener. Both of us are excited to share the work of the Regional Organising Committee and launch the meeting, especially in light of recent events.
The last few months have been difficult for everyone. We've had to learn new skills and new ways of working and communicating.
We are developing a number of new and innovative features that would allow attendance to take place from anywhere across the globe for both domestic and international delegates.
These features will provide new opportunities for engagement and make the meeting more accessible to a greater number of people, no matter where they practice.
We hope that you will join us on that journey. Follow the updates and watch as the scientific program prepared by myself and Liz Everett evolves, and as Noam Winter, the FPM Scientific Convener, debuts his innovations and ideas.
We are confident we will bring you a great educational and social experience in 2021. We're creating an exciting and innovative ASM. Join us and see how we and our specialty are advancing in leaps and bounds.